How to download and watch TV shows and movies on Hulu. Let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded Hulu app in your device. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app Hulu and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. Now click on the option of login. Click on login with Hulu, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find a different option. Click on the option of downloads. Once you're in the downloads page, here you're going to find different sections: TV, movies, kids, and many more. Head over to any of the sections from where you want to download the video. Launch it. You'll find this download icon at the right corner of each of the video. You have to click on this download option where that download process will start. Once completion of download process, you will see this kind of icon. Now I can head over to the download section and check the videos. So this way you can easily download and watch TV shows and movies on Hulu. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.